Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, very good evening guys. Am I audible? Am I audible guys? Okay. So guys, just wait for 2 minutes. Let few more people join and then we'll go ahead. Okay. Please wait. Okay, guys, I hope there is a no sense of waiting for the things. So today, guys, we are going to talk about the charts and data storytelling telling over here. So I hope I'm audible to you all. Before that, guys, I would like to discuss about the one topic which I told you I'll cover it in tomorrow's session. Okay, so we are going to cover the. Am I audible, guys? Okay, so we are going to cover about the pivot charts in Excel. Okay, so in Microsoft Excel, a pivot chart is a visual representation of pivot table. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about the pivot table. Their representation is a pivot chart. So is a visual representation of pivot table. It allow you to turn summarize data into charts and instantly. Okay, so making analysis easier and more presentable for business decision and all, right? So you can see here pivot. Yeah, what is pivot chart? So a pivot chart is a dynamic chart linked to a pivot table. So when you change the pivot, okay. So when you change the pivot table, chart updated automatically. That is the beauty of that. So when you apply filter, chart change instantly also. Okay. So pivot chart is a dynamic chart linked to a pivot table, guys. Okay. So why pivot chart is important? So it is for industry use. So in real business scenario, managers don't read a tables; they prefer a charts. Okay, so charts help identifying trend, patterns, and comparison quickly. So use in a dashboard and presentation. Okay, so we are going to see the simple real world example. So sales dashboard. So region wise sales, product performance, monthly trend, and all. Okay, so for that we are going to use the following raw data. Okay, so I'll copy this and then I will go to the Excel. I'll zoom little bit. Okay, so date, region, product, and sales. So west, east, west, north, west, east, all are there. So I will request you all, please prepare this data and then we'll go ahead. Okay, everyone, please prepare it. You have a Assam. Okay, please prepare this data. You have a 2-3 minutes of time. Then we will go ahead. Please. Yes, guys, done with this data set. Hello. Now, guys, first of all, we need to create a pivot table. Okay. So can anyone tell me how to create a pivot table? How to create a pivot table? So go to insert. In insert, you have to click on pivot table, right? And in that now existing worksheet. So I'll select the location where I want the pivot table, right? Then I will expand and just say okay. So it will give me the pivot fields. Okay, so if you observe here, so in this example, we want in rows region, column product. Okay, so region will be in through the rows, column will be having a product, and cells will have a value, right? Correct. And after that, we are going to done. After that, again, we'll go there. We'll click on insert, pivot chart. Okay. So sorry, table range. I have not selected. Okay. 1 minute. I have made a mistake. Directly, no need to go for the pivot chart, pivot table first. Okay. So I'll remove that. So we can select the data, right? Then go to the pivot table, click on pivot chart. Okay. Now here again, same process. So where you want that chart, I'll click on, okay, first select the existing worksheet, click on this, then select this, and then expand, then say okay. Now you can see here, we want region into the and product over here, and value is going to be a sum. Okay, so can you see here, guys, pivot chart, and at the backside it will also generate the pivot table as well. Is that okay, guys? This is very easy, right? Hello, everyone. Can you please respond? Afan, we are going step by step, so please wait. We'll talk about that pie chart also. Okay. Okay, I'll repeat again, guys. So this is very big. So what I will do, I will delete this. Okay, I'll delete this as well. Okay, and I will redo it. So first of all, need to select the data, go to insert. In insert, click on pivot chart. In pivot chart, we are going to select the existing, then we will select the location. So I want this location, then expand that, and then just say okay. Then we will see here region we will take on the, okay, region I want it into the access field. Then product will be there into the legends. Cells will be there into the, is that okay, guys, now? Hello? Yes, the person who told me to repeat, is it okay? Nitya, is it okay? Please reply. I hope I'm audible to you all. Okay. Now, guys, you have a 5 minutes. Everyone, please practice. Can I answer your question after 5 minutes after your practice? Yes, guys. Please reply. Hello. Can you practice that for 5 minutes? Everyone, try to create your own example as well. Okay, please, everyone, please. 5 minutes, please practice. Okay, guys, great, done. Any question, guys? Okay, great, great. Okay, so comparison category and all are there, right? Okay. Now, guys, see here in this pivot chart also you can have multiple different chart. The way somebody asked about the pie chart, line chart, and all, right? Okay. So that you can also explore. Like right now, this is a bar chart, right? So you can change the chart type from here. Suppose you want pie chart, you select that, just say okay. So this is for laptop, right? For one. Who's there? 1 minute. Okay, Aishwarya. Guys, wait, I'll repeat. Wait, guys, somebody wants me to repeat the pivot chart again. Okay, we'll select this. Then we will click on insert. We'll click on insert. In insert pivot chart or pivot table also you can select first. Then say existing, click on existing worksheet. Then click on here. Then select the location where you want the pivot table first. Just say okay. Now it will give you the pivot field. So region I'm putting into the row and product I'm putting into the column and cells I'm putting into the value. Okay. Now once it is created, now in this only there is an option called as a pivot. In the options also you have a pivot chart. So click on pivot chart. So whichever you want. So suppose I want this pie chart or this kind of pie chart. So I'll click on OK. Is it okay now, Aishwarya? Yes, yes, graph part I'm discussing. See here. So now this graph part, so in this we have a change type. So we can change the type accordingly. Whichever type you want, you can select like this column one. So if you want, you can go for column one, right? Okay. So you can explore it from here. Okay. So different style and all. So all those things you can perform over here. Okay, surface one you want. So like this. Is that okay, guys? There are a lot of charts are there. And the guy who was asking me for the uh, pie chart, is it okay for you? Hello, Muslim. 1 minute. Who was that? Afan, Afan. Okay, great. So I want you guys should explore all the types of chart and all for next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. And then I will go for the normal chart. Normal chart also similar, but obviously I will explain that with the help of lot of case studies. Everyone, please reply. Can you explore all type of charts for next 5 to 10 minutes? Okay, everyone, please do it and then we'll go ahead. So after 5 minutes, I will check chat box also. And if anyone is having any query also, I will reply. Okay. Okay, guys, great. Very good. So today, if you observe, we are going to talk about only charts and all, okay? And then storytelling and all. Let's move ahead now. Okay, wait a minute, not this. Okay, so bar chart, line chart, the combos of different charts and all. Yes, we will use that, right? So, guys, we need to choose the right chart type in a critical data. Okay, the chart you pick up directly affect the how clearly your audience understand the data. Okay, so bar and column charts are there, right? So if you have a sales data, unit sold and all, so you want the peak value and all, so in that case you can have this kind of a chart. Okay, so like different kinds of a charts are there. So bar is a horizontal or column is a vertical chart. Compare a value across category. Now when to use this bar and all? So when you want to compare the region, product, department and all, okay, or identify the highest and lowest performance. So this is very important. Huh? Compare the compare the region, product, department, then identify the highest versus lowest performance and all. Okay, so real world example sales by region. So data set is there, region and sales. Okay, wait a minute. So I will just go to the Excel and I will go take the new sheet. Okay, and here I'll paste it. And then, so inside from chart, so West is top performing, okay, and all. So we need to create the chart out of this. So how will we do that? We'll select that. Then we'll go to the insert. Then we'll go to the column. So this is, so here we can, and you can check the different charts also. So this is the best thing which will be help us out to understand this. But in that also, there is a one more best chart, which is the combination of line and uh, both the charts. Okay. Format chart area. So like that, we are able to see the chart over here. Okay. So here also different types are there in that color. If you want to change, you can change the color. Okay. You can change the background also. So like that, you can explore. Is it okay, guys? The first case study. Okay. After that, so what is the business decision? So increase the marketing in the north according to the chart. Scale the strategy, use in a west and all. Okay. So like that, we can take the, okay. So itself, if you observe the chart, so in the north, we need to work more, right? Okay. So west is already having a highest sales and all. So like that kind of a insights you can have. Okay. Then why this chart works? So easy to compare, clear ranking and all. Next one is the line chart. Okay. So line chart show the change over a time. So when to use when you have monthly data. Oh, 1 minute. When you have monthly data, quarterly, yearly trend, growth analysis. So real world example, monthly revenue and all. So month and all are there. So let's take this data and we'll paste it here. And then guys, we'll go to insert. So you can see a line chart. So you can create a chart like this. Okay. In that also different charts are there. Okay, give the value. So like that you can explore different charts and all. Is it okay, line chart? Okay. Right. Next one. Oh, 1 minute. So investigate February drop, replicate the March April strategy. So why this line chart use? For the clearly show the trend, highlight the increase and decrease value. Okay, so for that you can use the line chart over here. Next one is a pie chart, guys. So can anyone tell me what is the use of pie chart? So pie chart show the percentage distribution of whole. So whatever whole you have, it will be considered 100%, and then accordingly it will distribute it. Okay, so like market share, expense breakdown and all, right? Product contribution and all. So all that kind of things can be done using this. So product revenue share is there, like product sales, laptop, tablet and all. So we can copy this and we'll go to the data, insert it over here. Okay, and then accordingly we'll insert here the pie chart. So different pie charts are there. Is it okay? So can you guys please practice the bar chart, line chart, and pie chart? Yes, guys. Please reply for 5-10 minutes. Can you practice the bar chart, pie chart, and line chart? Okay, please try that and then we'll go ahead. Okay. I hope everyone trying that. Okay, very good, guys. Very good. I know these are the very easy topic, but still we have to go into that. Okay. So from that we can easily say inside laptop contribution is 50%, right? Tablets are having a lowest and all. So visual data will help us out to understand very easily. You can understand the very easily using the visual data. Okay. So guys, combo chart, but to be very honest, this option is not available in my 2007. Okay. So so it is a combination of two or more charts. Okay. So compare the two different metrics and all. So we can create that, right? So guys, I'll request you, anyone is using the latest one, can you please try this? Just check the combo chart. Hello, can you let me know whether you are able to draw the combo chart or not? Hello guys. Yes, everyone. So it will be available here only. There are many, you can try the other things also. Okay. E- Okay, 1 minute. Let me check. Yes, just let me know whether you are able to create a combo chart or not. Okay. If you are able to do that, that will be great. Others also please explore that combo chart. Okay, Nitya, which version do you have? Nitya, which version do you have? Hello? Okay, you have put one on above one. Okay, okay, no problem. Your stack. Fine, fine. Yes, let's move ahead. Okay, choosing the correct visualization. So choosing the correct visualization in Microsoft Excel and BI tool. Okay, the chart you choose should match the question you are answering. Okay, so it depends on the question you are going to choose the chart. A wrong chart can hide the inside. The right can make the answer obvious. Okay, so start with the question always. Suppose there is a before picking any chart, define what do I want to show. So that is a very important thing. If comparison is there, trend over a time is there, part to whole is there, relationship between variable is there. Okay, so that kind of a quick mapping we can do. Like if compare category is there, bar or column chart you can do. Show trend is there, then line chart you can do. Show share is there, then pie chart you can do. Compare two metrics combo you can do. Distribution or range will be histogram you can do. Okay, so comparison bar chart and all are there. So you can see region and cells data is there. So in that case we can draw for the bar chart or column chart. So easy to see highest versus lowest, clear ranking and all. What all are common mistake do using pie chart instead of bar for comparison. So you cannot use the pie chart for comparison purpose. Okay. Is that okay, guys? Have you got the idea about this? Then trend will be there. Then go for line chart, right? So show the increase decrease clearly. High highlights the patterns and all. So common mistake like using the bar chart for long time series and all. Then distribution pie chart is there when to use. Show proper of total percentage and all. Real world example like product contribution for distribution pie chart, laptop, mobile. So why this works? Show the percent contribution instantly. Limitation avoid if five categories. Hard to compare the similar values and all. Then relationship combo chart is there. So sales versus profit. So month sales and profit will be there. So all these kind of a charts we can do. So if comparing category, bar chart will be there. If showing time trend, line chart. Showing percentage, pie chart. Showing two matrix, combo chart. So like that kind of a decision you can take. Guys, I will share this file with you guys. Okay. So you guys can explore this, all those things like question answer that there, which chart will use, why and all. Okay. Type of chart case study. 1 minute. You have to create few charts. Okay. So can you please take this data and try to create this chart? So this is a messy data. Try to understand. This one is a messy data. You need to remove that messness. So what is the messness? You need to find out, remove that, and then try the chart. Can you try that? Then I will show you the solution. Hello guys, for this is a messy data. You have to correct that data and then create a chart. Yes, tell me guys, can you try that? Please try it. You have 5 minutes, then we'll go ahead. Okay, please, everyone. Okay, guys. Attendance they shared, na? Guys, if anyone is having a attendance uh, link, share it. Okay. So how all of you are done with this, guys? So first of all, you need to find out this average cell. So if you remember, we have used the if function. So missing value and that's not group. So we have to find out the missing value first. Okay. Do you remember this, guys? If statement we have used and then create a pivot table and then group the data months and month wise and all. Okay. So like that you have to practice. So clean output will be like this. So in this we can draw the line chart. Now please try this one. So in this product one is missing. Now tell me how will you find out that? How will you create a clean data? And then how will you go ahead? Okay. A link, guys. Anyone is having an attendance link, please share it in the chat box. I don't have it. Guys, anyone is having a attendance link, please put it in a chat box. Someone wants that. Try this one, guys. Problem statement. Today is a chart only. We have discussed chart, right? And we are insights also we are discussing line by line. So that's why there's a much not much work, but still in the last few minutes I will talk about the storytelling. Okay. No, today is the fifth day. Ruti, today is the fifth day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Fifth day. Fifth, not six. Please try this one, guys. 1 minute, I'll check the chat box. Can you please forward the link again? Hey guys, I don't know. Hey, someone please, those who are having that attendance link, please forward it again. Yes, try this guys and let me know. Okay, wait a minute. You guys starting. We'll talk about storytelling till now. See, storytelling with data in Microsoft Excel, whatever graphs you are going to create, okay. So related to that, we are going to create a story and all, okay. So in a Microsoft Excel BI tool, storytelling with data means converting raw number into the clear narrative that explain what happened, why it happened, and what action to take, okay. So strong data story does not just show charts; it guide the decision making also. So actually, this story will be help us out to guide the making a decision for the business. Okay. So what is data storytelling? So data storytelling equal to data plus visualization plus context plus insight plus action. So data is a raw number, visualization chart are there, context is there, business problem, insight, meaning of data and all action. So all those things you can use. Then why it matter in industry? So in real companies like leaders don't have time to analyze raw data, so they need a clear answer quickly. Decision uh, decision depends on the how well you explain the data and all. So for that reason we'll require a storytelling, okay. So it actually, if you understand the things, then you can easily able to talk about that, okay. So structure of good data story is like use this simple framework, okay. So context. So what is the problem that we need to understand? Like example, sales performance across region need evaluation. Okay. So first one is the context, guys. Is it okay, guys? Context. So in which context you are talking about? That is nothing but the good data story. Is that fine? Then data. What does the data show? West region has highest revenue. Inside, why did it happen? So strong laptop sales draw growth in West and all. Okay. Context first. Second one is the data. What does the data show? Insight means why it happened. And next one is action. What should we do? Is it okay, guys? These are the four steps. Context. What is the problem in that? Data means what does the data show? Insight means why did it happen? And fourth one is action. Have you understood these four things? How to assume which product sells pair missing in the given? Not assume. If it is missing, we have to get that. Okay. See, clean proper. You can remove the blank. Okay, that you can take any. That's not a problem. So here, if you observe here, we have a laptop, mobile, tablet. So that can be anything you can take. So because product, you cannot say that. Okay. So there is a no formula. Is it okay, Nivin? One thing you can take a mode. Mode means most frequent value. So that is a laptop. So you can consider laptop. Okay, Nivin. So that mode can be used here. Yes, yes. So I hope you got the idea about storytelling. So this is a case study where problem a company wants to understand which region perform best and monthly sales trend. So data set is their month region sales. So visualization, bar chart, line chart we are doing. So story, context, sales performance is begin being analyzed across region. So inside, West consistently outperform East. So February show the deep in both regions. So action investigate February decline, replicate West strategy in East. Okay, so you can Then after, so guys, please explore this case study, okay, and let me know whether if you have any doubt into the storytelling and all. Okay. So storytelling means you need to understand the insights, and on that you have to suggest them the action. So in this you can see contact cell performances begin analyze across region. So inside West consistently outperform East. February show a dip in both region. An action like investigate February decline, then replicate the West strategy in East. So it East also will increase. Is that clear? So you guys can explore this. Then I will show you one more case study. Okay. Can you go through this? Today was not that much, but have you got some idea about the today's session, guys? Are you able to learn something today? Hello. Okay. Please go through this. I'll show you the next case study also. So profit drop one. Okay. You can try to solve this. Then I'll show you the solution as well. Context action and context inside and action. Attendance. Hey, somebody send attendance. Okay, guys. So I'll show you the combo chart you can use for that story. Like sales are increasing, but profitability is declining. So inside like February profit drop even though sales increase. So indicates higher cost or discount. So action: review the pricing strategy and reduce the operational cost. Is that okay? Yes, guys. Is that okay? So I'm done for today, guys. If you have any question, query, you can feel free to ask. In Excel, this is storytelling. In Excel, no need to do that. You can create chart, any chart you can create. Okay, please. So I'm done for today, guys. If you have any question, query, let me know. And after a few minutes, I will call the session also. Okay. Happy weekend, guys. Okay, guys, then bye, guys. Amar, are you there? Can we stop the session?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay, bye.
Saturday, Sunday, no class, guys. We'll meet on Monday.